Weedless Productions.
I have the feeling, then a dream. I fell asleep. Next thing I know, a light comes from above, somewhere in Los Angeles. I'm walking in the streets. Normal bright day, warmer than usual day. A hand points to this theater, and then a thump sound come from under, and I see the buildings shake. The theater rumbles and the street breaks. The sun is diagonal to the hills, pointing 20 degrees of Taurus. This is a warning, and take notice that God's judgment and hands are at work and will shake the ground. Where people have lost touch with God. This will happen in May during a sunny day. When this happens, believe in God, for He is the one who sends you this message. God works through dreams. I say to you, do not ignore this, for it will happen.